Imagine turning your VLC player into a live TV stream finder. An exciting discovery indeed. With IPTV's rising popularity, you're probably wondering if VLC can handle streaming. Today's mission: to connect your VLC player with IPTV streams easily and efficiently. Start by opening your VLC player. It's your digital buddy for universal media access. Next step: navigate to the Open Network Stream option. We're getting closer now. Here comes the magic. Paste your IPTV link and click play, like a TV remote in action. Experience seamless channel browsing with your playlist. The power of IPTV unleashed. Discover compatibility improvements with the latest VLC updates for smoother IPTV experiences. Ever thought of watching your favorite shows anywhere? VLC makes IPTV mobile-friendly too. Dive into the customization world. Tweak your VLC settings to enhance IPTV features. Experience clear streaming, courtesy of high-quality IPTV sources like 2TV.store. Enhance your entertainment. Explore rich content libraries the best IPTV providers offer. Imagine variety. Sports, news, movies, all in one playlist curated for you. VLC's potential meets IPTV's breadth, merging to bring you maximum viewing satisfaction. Ready to transform your VLC into a TV hub? It's showtime with IPTV. Stay tuned for more tech tips and enjoy endless IPTV possibilities with VLC.